My name is Olanrewaju Charles. I briefly want to introduce us to Power BI desktop features and the capabilities of those features. But the first question is, why Power BI? Why organizations are using Power BI for business intelligence solution? The reason why they are using it is as a result of the ease of using the software. It is easily available and not expensive. It is accessible. It is also trusted by many organizations, and then it also seamlessly the software seamlessly integrates with a variety of popular data sources. Those are the reason why organizations actually prefer to use Power BI. The features, as you can see, as soon as you launch the software, you open the software, this is the first interface you are going to open, you are going to see. The features of Power BI, they're actually divided into three parts. The first one, where my cursor is pointing at, this is where we call the report view. The report view. The second part is the table view. It is also known as the data view. And then lastly, we have what we call the model view, which is the same thing as the relationship view. Relationship view. The first one, the report view. The report view actually has many features you can explore. The first one is the get data. Here we import our data based on the type of the data source you want to import. As many as you want to import, you have the Excel, we have the SQL, we have the text, X or the CSV. You can also import the CSV, and you can also connect to the URL of the data source. We have as many data sources you can connect to through the use of this get data. And that shows how powerful Power BI is. As well, we have the data transformation. Here we can transform our data. Your data need any cleaning, this is where it is done. These particular tools actually helps in cleaning our data. This is where the data transformation is being done. The tools is used in data transformation. And then we also have what we call the visualization panel. The visualization pan is actually divided into two parts. You have what we call the bid visuals, where you have your visuals comprises of various charts. We have the stick bar charts, the stick column charts, we have the pie charts, we have the scatter map, we have the map, and so on and so forth. And then here, this is where we format our reports, the format page. If you want to carry out any formatting to beautify the interface, the page of your report, this is where it is being carried out. Editing of the text, the changing of the colors, the text title. This is where the formatting is being done. And here we have the filters. If there's anything you want to filter in your visuals, this is where the filters is being done. Then here is the table view. The table view or the data view, it actually helps to define our data sets, or it also helps in the transformational features. You want to carry out some transformation in the data set table. this can be carried out in this particular interface. Comprises of many features as well. We have the new tables can be added, and so on and so forth. And here we have what we call relationship view or the model view. The relationship view actually helps to identify relationships between the data sets, and it is defined data set which is defined based on the data set that's been imported. And then it can actually be the connection, the relationship connection can be done either automatically or it can be done manually as the user, any method the user actually prefers to use. Thanks.